Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can put anonymous message link on Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, you have to go to your app store and download an app. For that, you're gonna go to search bar, type in NGL. This is the app that we're talking about. Tap on get or download or install. Once the installation has, you're gonna tap on this option of open. Tap on get started. Choose your birthday. Tap on continue Instagram. Tap on continue again and simply add your Instagram handle. Tap on continue. You can skip this as well. Now you can see send me anonymous message. I'm gonna go ahead, tap on copy link, tap on next step, tap on share, and there you go. Now you're gonna paste your link. For that, you're gonna tap on that icon, tap on link over here, go ahead, paste your link, tap on done, and adjust this link over here, and then tap on this send icon, and then you're good to go. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.